Welcome to watch today's Ferm. When rooms still seem incomplete, walls decor could help. 1. Paintings and works of art. Gallery wall, a wall filled with small pieces of art in various frames, helps tell stories. A consistent color palette or common theme helps create a harmonious composition. 2. Wall shelves, both storage and display space. Shelves not only provide storage space, but also the opportunity to personalize the walls. With a careful selection of objects, they can truly enrich the wall decoration. 3. Wall lights, luminous accents. As always in interior design, light is essential, when it comes not only from the ceiling, but from multiple sources, distributed throughout the room. It creates an atmosphere. Directing light towards the walls allows you to add luminous accents. 4. Tapestries and wall textiles, softness for the walls. Textiles on the walls offer an alternative to traditional paintings and bring coziness to a room. They are particularly effective for filling large areas and creating a warm atmosphere. 5. Accumulation of objects. Whether mirrors, clocks, candlesticks, or other objects, walls offer a beautiful display surface for all kinds of valuable objects. The rule here is simple: choose a theme that harmonizes with the room.